Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just visit Amazon or Alibaba. So let's see these cool gadgets and hacks we've got in this video. She's making her bed. She's gonna brush off her pillows and other stuff in her bedroom using this cool brush. She's gonna mop the floor. She's cleaning her washing machine. We've got these plastic gloves you can use for the housework. She's gonna clean the sink using this electric brush. It's really helpful. This is a small mop you can use for cleaning. You've got this small brush you can use for cleaning your toilet. We've got this cleaner you can use for cleaning windows and mirrors. It's really helpful. We've got this mop you can use for cleaning the ceiling and walls. It's really cool. This is a small trash bin you can use anywhere at home. We've got this folding mop you can use for mopping the floor, and you can use these small wipes. We've got this one you can use for brushing off your bed. You can use it for your mattress and covers. We've got these wipes you can use for this folding mop. It makes the task easier and fast. This is another beautiful apartment. Let's see the tools and hacks we've got here in this apartment. We've got this little girl. Let's see the tools she's using in this apartment. Maybe this is her mom. We've got this brush you can use for cleaning the sink. We've got this cleaner again you can use for the walls. All these gadgets and tools, they're available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just visit these websites and you'll get all these tools there.